hi everyone and welcome here. And I can see a few gajras on your wrists which are really cool. And today is a huge day for us. It's the launch of Love Ka The End. And before I go into that, since you've all come with your gangs, I'm feeling a little left out here, alone on this red stage. So I'm gonna call my gang out, my gang of best friends. So please welcome them, Jug, Sonia and Karthikeyan.
Freak out! School's out! Freak out! School's out!
छुट्टी क्या चीज है ये सुपर कूल है
Jug, Karthikeyan and Sonia. Big round of applause please. Okay, make yourselves comfortable. Okay, go for it. Okay, so like we have, these are my best friends. Now, we also have an anti-gang who we completely love to hate, and they deserve all the beeps in the entire world. So I'm going to call them out, and they are Golu, Timmy, Natasha, Maya and Tara. Please welcome them.
Freak out! School's out! Freak out! School's out!
छुट्टी क्या चीज है ये सुपर कूल है
A big round of applause, please. Okay, you guys can make yourselves comfortable on those gaddas. Okay, so we are here for the music launch, and it's the grooviest album of the year. And I'm not just saying it because it's my film, but I'm also saying it because I've got good taste. So I'm going to introduce the most talented and hairiest person, our director, Bumpy. Please welcome him.
सुना जो भी हुआ ये क्या हो गया
Okay, Bumpy doesn't have a mic.
I can talk. I prefer the other perfume. I don't really know what. Thank you. Thanks for coming. It's really hot. Sagar and I just traveled from the town, and it's really hot. I was actually expecting a lesser turnout, but thank you so much. Hi Aditi. I don't know really. I mean, the music's great. You know, like she said, and some of you may have caught some songs already on television and on the net. It's great. It's been done by one of my childhood heroes, you know. I think 1996 or I think 95. I don't know, between 95 and 97, when one beer used to be called Thunderbolt, I think, or Godfather. One beer used to be some $39, super strong, and my dad's ambassador with this really pathetic stereo here. And we bought this tape with that one beer called Colorblind. And the four of us were still beginning to figure out what our willies were for. So we kind of parked near where Mount Mary ka wo bus aata tha, and all the hot chicks used to get off. So we were like, beer in this album ki chal isko chalate hain. And then we heard it, and that ambassador never sounded better. Trust me, it was so good, and we kept tripping on the fact that, man, this album is good. Kisne banaya? And all we could say was, it's Colorblind. It's Colorblind. Naam nahi diya, and there were names given, but we couldn't figure out. Then we saw a video here, you know, and there was this one. He didn't seem that small in the video, I have to tell you, but there was this guy who was going at it at the camera, screaming, Colorblind, and we said, fuck, this is the man here. And what a video. And they had Lala Rouse. But anyway, when I got an opportunity to finally choose someone, you know, music karna hai, bumps, and you know, I fell in love with music after that. I went on to play in a band partly because of that album. And when I finally got the opportunity at Bumps, you know, you want to actually get your own music done, I said Ram Sampath. It's got to be Ram Sampath. He's my childhood hero. I didn't know what he looked like. And then Ram just came on. I always thought he was going to be a little bigger. Okay, if I knew he was, if I knew he wasn't, I would have actually gone and said hi to him many years back. Okay, but he came on board, and I think it was really nice for me to explain to somebody that, you know, I need a little bit of Rob Zombie, I need a little bit of folksy fairy tale telling, I need a little bit of roller coaster riding, and yeah, I get you, let's trip together on this. Okay, so, and after that, I think he just hit the ball right out of the park, man. You know, the first track that we heard, I remember tonight, he came with some, he was in bed with Yashraj, okay, in the Gadda room, so, yeah, he and Adi were sitting on the same bed, okay, so, and when Adi saw the two of us actually playing the music from Adi, he was a little shocked, and when Adi heard the music also, he was a little shocked, because it was really good, I think much better than what anyone was actually thought. The first draft mein itna sahi niklega. And after that, he just kept coming up with great improvisations and stuff. It's a great album because, you know, you can actually just put it in the CD player and play it, and it'll just end. And, you know, and you could be reading a book, you could be doing household chores, you could be walking a dog. It just plays, and my personal favorite is driving to it because it's got a great rhythm. It's a complete record. So let's just get Ram Sampath in, the Little Big Man.
Hi guys, I got to say first and foremost I'm most excited and thrilled, and I have to thank Bumpy and Ashish Patil for this because I think Love Ka The End is the freshest film of the year. There's no question about it. It's the first time, and I've thought about this, I've discussed this with people, and we've gone back in detail and thought about this, but it's the first time kids are playing kids. It's never happened before. You've never seen a film, you know, I mean, we've had 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds playing college-going kids. It's embarrassing. In fact, there's one movie where they have like side locks that are this big. They could flip and they could fly. You know, it's embarrassing. But this one is genuine. It's out there. It's the real stuff. And we wanted the same ethic on the music. We've got the musicians on this record, the singers on this record. Every single person involved in this album is a young soul. Is a young soul. There's no doubt about it. Whether be it the singers, be it the lyricist, be it the musicians, be it this man, this creature. He's just incredible. Yeah. In fact, I'm probably the oldest person on the record. It's ridiculous, but that's the truth. It's a fresh pop record. It's a sunshine pop record. You can listen to it any time of the day. The songs are songs you can sing along to. You can sing along with your friends. You've got a guitar. You can play the entire album. You can. Those are the kind of songs that we wanted to make. We don't make those kind of songs anymore. R.D. Burman used to make those kind of songs. He used to make songs you can sing in your own company with friends. And we want to go back to that at one level as well. So, and I have to tell you that there is one very sane looking person, extremely sane, but he's completely twisted, demented. He's probably the psychoest person I have met in my life. And he's the man who's responsible for the lyrics on this album. His name is Amitabh Bhattacharya, and I'd like to call him...
Hi everybody. Possibly, ideally, what I would have wanted to say, Ram has said quite a lot of that. For this album, one thing was most interesting for me is usually when I'm writing other film songs, one brief or benchmark is always set. As in, think about the kids and the teenagers who hang out at cafes and clubs and, you know, bowling alleys, and, you know, think about those kids. Wo kaise gayenge, wo bolenge, what would be their lingo. So finally, here's a film in which those kids probably are featuring. And these are the kids who download maximum amount of our music. So it was great to write some songs keeping them in mind and for them, in which they are featuring. And some amazing tracks by Ram Sampath. It was a lot of fun to write on that. And the man sitting next to me, really looking forward to his film. An amazing job. Let's all keep our fingers crossed.
Okay, so now we're going to call upon the most awesome playback singer who sung the title song of our film. I absolutely love the song. Please welcome Aditi.
It's very overwhelming to have sung 2 songs in such a film, and yeah, you don't get to see a lot of what's happening here. By this I mean all 4 of them, and finally we see him from jumping ropes on MTV to finally doing something like this. I think he deserves a big round of applause. Yeah, it feels great. You know, I always say that it's not just about the song, it's not just about a scene, it's not about an actor. It's about being a part of a fantastic team, and right from Ashish to Bumpy to Amitabh to Ram to the cast, I think it's a fabulous team, and you guys will see that translating into the film. All the singers, Joy is here. He sung Freak Out. That's Joy. Joy, come on stage. He sung Freak Out, the T-shirt magic song with me. That's Joy Barua. I think Suman's not here, and Ali and Krishna couldn't make it, but just on behalf of everybody, I just want to say a big thank you, man. And I hope you guys will like it. I hope you guys will accept it. We have loved it, and we are very, very proud to be a part of this film. Thank you, everybody.
No, Aditi. Okay.